Have you come across terms used for specialist doctors and wondered what exactly they meant? Some of these words are so difficult to remember and even to pronounce that we end up skipping that section. Just thought of bringing up few of the doctors from that list. Let's go through it one by one real quick. Family physician. A family physician is someone who treats minor illnesses, answers health questions, conducts health checkups, performs routine health tests, including those for cholesterol or blood sugar levels, and provides referrals to specialty physician when necessary. Psychiatrist. Mental health requires utmost attention too. A psychiatrist treats what goes inside a human brain. They may use counseling, medication, or hospitalization as part of their treatment for depression, anxiety disorders, sexual and gender identity issues, etc. Ophthalmologist. They specialize in eye and vision care, treating diseases and conditions of the eye, and can perform eye surgery. They can prescribe glasses or contact lenses, diagnose and treat diseases like glaucoma. ENT specialist. They concentrate in areas related to ear, nose and throat, and sometimes even ailments related to the neck, sinuses, mouth and head. Audiologist. These doctors specialize in ear-related issues, particularly in regards to hearing loss in children. These doctors work with deaf and mute children to assist in their learning to communicate. As the name suggests, an audiologist treats and evaluates anything and everything related to audio or hearing abilities of a person. Dentist. A dentist is a doctor of oral health, which includes teeth, tongue, and gums of humans, preventing and detecting various issues such as cavities and bleeding gums. Allergists or immunologists. Allergists focus on preventing and treating allergies and diseases of the immune system, such as asthma. Radiologist. A radiologist diagnoses diseases and internal and external injuries with the help of imaging techniques like X-rays, CT scan, MRI, ultrasound, etc. They are the first step towards the diagnosis of any sort, which cannot be done without a machine. Pathologist. These lab doctors identify the causes of diseases by examining body tissues and fluids under microscopes. Pulmonologist. Pulmonary means lungs, hence a doctor who treats organs involved with breathing, which includes the lungs and heart. These are specialists for problems like lung cancer, pneumonia, asthma, trouble sleeping caused by breathing issues. Cardiologist. A doctor that deals with cardiovascular system. This means he or she treats any abnormalities in blood cells and heart. They treat many cardiovascular conditions such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart attack and stroke, heart rhythm problems, and congestive heart failure. They can perform many tests and procedures. However, they do not perform heart surgery. It is done by cardiac surgeon. Dermatologist. Dermatologist focuses on diseases and conditions of the skin, nails and hair. They treat conditions such as eczema, skin cancer, acne and psoriasis. Orthopedic surgeon. These surgeons treat ailments concerned with musculoskeletal system, that is, muscles and bones. They treat broken bones, arthritis, torn ligaments, muscles, etc. One is most likely to see an orthopedist after an injury that cause serious pain and greatly decreased mobility. Neurologist. Neurologist is responsible for treating and diagnosing issues of the nervous system. Our nervous system includes our brain, spinal cord, sensory organs, and all the nerves. They treat epilepsy, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, stroke, migraine, etc. Gastroenterologist. They are specialists in digestive organs including the stomach, bowels, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. One might see them in cases of abdominal pain, ulcers, diarrhea, jaundice, or cancers in digestive organs. Nephrologist. A nephrologist focuses on kidney care and conditions that affect the kidneys. Conditions they can treat include kidney disease, renal failure, diabetes, kidney stones, hypertension, etc. Nephrologists also have education in kidney transplants and dialysis. Urologists treat conditions of the urinary tract in both males and females. They specialize in issues related to urinary system for infections and also study afflictions of the kidneys, bladder, and male reproductive organs. Plastic surgeon performs cosmetic surgery to enhance the physical attributes of a patient or amend a physical issue that the patient finds unsatisfactory. They rebuild or repair skin, face, hands, or body. Oncology involves the study of all types of cancers. Oncologists specialize in any one particular type of cancer. They do chemotherapy treatments and often work with radiation oncologist and surgeon to care for someone with cancer. Gynecologist. A gynecologist is trained to treat the female reproductive system and health conditions, which includes vagina, uterus, ovaries, breast cancer, pregnancy, labor and delivery, infertility, menopause, and cancer prevention. Neonatologists care for newborn infants to ensure their successful entry into a healthy and fulfilling life. The focal point of their examinations is on premature and critically ill infants who require immediate treatment at the risk of fatal consequences. Pediatrician, a doctor who treats children from birth to young adulthood. Since a child's body functions in a different manner from ours due to factors like age and growing stages, their illnesses and health issues are different from an adult. And the last on this list is veterinarian, also called as vets. They take care of issues concerning our fur buddies, animals. They treat and diagnose issues of animals, which includes mental and physical both. Do hit the like button if this animated video helped you in understanding various types of specialized doctors. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and share amongst your loved ones. That's all from Learn On. Keep learning.